everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you all one of my favorite videos for 25 days of DIY. I'm going to show you guys how to make this super cute penguin snow globe ornament that I've made so many times. If you guys like all these DIYs, give it a thumbs up, and while you're down there, subscribe so that you never miss any of my videos. And I'm going to be having a really fun finale on Christmas Day, so make sure that you guys don't miss that. Let's go ahead and get on into it. Let's go! This DIY, all you're going to need is just a black pipe cleaner and an orange pipe cleaner. So what you're going to do is just going to twist around the black pipe cleaner onto a pen in order to make a corkscrew, and then that is going to be the base for your penguin. Then I'm just going to use my orange, and I'm just going to create a beak and some feet for it too. You can also do a smaller one to create a little kid penguin. I think that this looks super cute too. You can also play around with how many penguins there are. I just decided to just do 2. You can honestly add whatever you want to them. You can also add wings or anything else that you really want, as long as it'll fit inside of your snow globe. The next thing that we are going to be doing is just taking a weight pipe cleaner and creating a little stomach for the penguin, because I think that that adds a super cute touch. Then you're going to just need some googly eyes to glue onto your penguins, and I think that the little kid penguin looks so derpy with those little eyes. I also created a snowbank out of a clear pipe cleaner as well. Now you're just going to hot glue all of this onto a piece of circular paper that's a little bit bigger than your cup. Now inside of your cup, you're going to put the confetti of your choice, and I did this super cute mix that kind of looks like snow. Then make sure that you hot glue your penguins and the paper upside down onto the cup so that the confetti doesn't spill out. And that is all. In order to make an ornament, just add a topper. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe right here on the screen so you don't miss the next video tomorrow. Christmas Eve is tomorrow, and I'm so excited. And click the watch now button to watch the rest of the series. And if you guys recognize that music, make sure to comment down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!